Health benefits of clove water. Do you know that clove water is a sweet-smelling, beneficial concoction that can do wonders for your health? If you want to learn about the benefits of clove water, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore the numerous advantages of clove water and how it can help you feeling at your best. Firstly, clove water is relatively easy to make. To prepare clove water, boil a few cloves in 2 cups of water until the water turns brownish-red or golden brown. Allow the mixture to simmer for 10 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, strain the cloves out of the water and enjoy the warm or chilled beverage, depending on your preference. Adding honey or lemon juice to your clove water can enhance its flavor while providing additional health benefits. So here are the best health benefits of clove water. 1. Clove water boosts the immune system. One way to support the immune system is through proper nutrition. Clove water is a natural drink that can boost immunity. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants like eugenol, which helps to fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals damage cells and lead to chronic disease, so consuming cloves can help prevent them. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in the body, which supports the immune system. This water can also improve digestion because it contains compounds that can stimulate digestive enzymes, leading to better absorption of nutrients from food. The better your body absorbs nutrients, the stronger your immune system. Taking proper care of your immune system is vital to maintaining good health. Adding clove water to your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural defenses against infection and disease. 2. Clove water enhances the digestive system and relieves digestive disorder. Research suggests that clove water has various benefits for the digestive system. It contains compounds that help stimulate the digestive system. Drinking clove water before meals can increase saliva production and promote the secretion of gastric juices. This process can improve digestion and prevent gastrointestinal issues such as bloating and constipation. Cloves are high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the gut. It can also aid digestion by increasing bile secretion from the liver and promoting food movement through the intestines. This process can help alleviate symptoms of indigestion and constipation. Clove water also has anti-inflammatory properties. Alleviating gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, it can also reduce inflammation in the gut lining and ease symptoms like abdominal pain, cramping, and diarrhea. Incorporating clove water into your daily routine may benefit your digestive health. 3. Clove water has antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Clove water is an herbal infusion used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health issues. One of the most notable benefits of clove water is its antibacterial properties. Clove contains eugenol, which has powerful antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. It can help fight harmful bacteria that cause infections in the body. Another significant benefit of clove water is its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants such as phenolic acids and flavonoids. These antioxidants can reduce oxidative stress in the body. This property makes clove water an excellent addition to your diet if you want to promote overall health and well-being through natural means. 4. Clove water is a natural pain reliever. Clove features eugenol, a natural anesthetic that can help to numb the pain. When the clove oil is mixed with water and applied topically to the affected area, it can relieve toothaches, headaches, and other body pains. You can consume it orally by drinking diluted solutions of clove extract mixed with warm water. Clove water also helps to reduce inflammation in the body. The active ingredient in clove oil, eugenol, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This compound makes it an effective remedy for arthritis, pain, and swollen muscles. 5. Clove water is excellent for the heart. Studies suggest that clove water can improve heart health. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which can lower blood pressure levels by relaxing blood vessels and reducing stress on the cardiovascular system. This relaxation helps prevent hypertension, stroke, and coronary artery disease. Besides, cloves are high in antioxidants, which help protect against free radicals that damage cells in the body, including those in the heart. Drinking clove water supports overall cardiac health by improving blood flow and reducing oxidative stress on the cardiovascular system. 6. Clove water nourishes the skin. Clove water is a rich source of antioxidants which helps protect the skin against damage caused by free radicals. When consumed regularly, clove water helps to moisturize and nourish the skin from within, leaving it looking radiant and healthy. Additionally, clove water has antibacterial properties that prevent acne breakouts by killing off harmful bacteria on the skin's surface. It also promotes healthy blood flow, improving overall skin health and radiance. Regular consumption of clove water improves digestion and initiates detoxification of the body, leading to clear and healthier-looking skin. With its many benefits for internal and external health, it's no wonder why clove water has been a natural remedy for centuries. 7. Clove water supports weight loss. Clove water is an excellent addition to any weight loss diet plan as it has numerous health benefits. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that help flush out toxins from the body, aiding in weight loss. It also boosts metabolism, helping the body burn calories faster. Drinking clove water can keep you full longer, reducing your appetite and cravings. In addition to aiding in weight loss, consuming clove water can regulate blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. Cloves are high in fiber, which helps improve digestion and promote bowel movements, leading to better gut health. Adding clove water to your diet is a great way to enhance your weight loss journey while improving overall health. 8. Clove water reduces stress and anxiety. Clove water is a powerful natural remedy that can help manage stress and anxiety. The oil in clove helps calm the mind and promotes relaxation, making it an ideal ingredient to add to your daily routine. Clove water can also help alleviate tension, headaches, and migraines. This tension often results from stress. Clove features eugenol, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties. This compound can reduce inflammation caused by stress, improving health and well-being. The antioxidants in cloves help protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to anxiety and depression. Clove water may also have other benefits for mental health. Studies have shown that it has antidepressant effects due to its ability to increase levels of certain neurotransmitters in the brain associated with mood regulation. 9. Strengthens bones. Regular consumption of clove water can support bone health. As we get older, we're more susceptible to developing bone disorders like osteoporosis. Drinking clove water can reduce this risk. An ingredient found in cloves can increase bone density and tensile strength while helping maintain bone mass. It's also a top mineral source of manganese, which is necessary for preserving generally healthy bones. So if you're looking for a tasty and healthy way to spice up your water routine, clove water's worth a try. With its impressive health benefits from boosting digestion to fighting off infections, this simple drink can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Remember to use cloves in moderation and consult your doctor if you have concerns about incorporating them into your diet. So go ahead, give it a whirl. Your taste buds and body will thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 11 surprising benefits of cloves to supercharge your health. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.